Morning respected sir, I Ansraj of class 9C is here to present my English project before you. My English project topic is to present on my favorite poet. My favorite poet is Bikram Seth. About the poet, Bikram Seth, born June 20, 1952, Calcutta, now Kolkata. Indian poet, novelist and traveler writer, known for his vice versa novel The Golden Gate 1986 and his epic novel A Suitable Boy 1993. The son of a justice and a businessman, Seth was raised in London and India. He attended exclusive Indian school and then graduated from Corpus Christi College, Oxford, BA 1975. He received a master's degree in economics for Stanford University in US in 1978 and later studied at Nanjing University in China. In 1987, he returned to India to live with his family in New Delhi. His age is now 68 years. Career: Seth's former literary agent Giles Gons recalled being interviewed by Seth for the position. Said Bikram sat at one end of a long table and he became a grill us. It was absolutely incredible. He wanted to know our literacy tastes, our view of poetry, our view on plays, which novelist we like. Seth later explained a Gordon that he was past the interview not because of comical concentration but because unlike the others he was the only agent who seemed interested in his poet as his other writing set followed with he decided as the listened for the advance for that book 22,50,000 for a suitable boy with 5 lakh for an equal music and 1.4 million for 2 lives. He prepared an astronomical poem for his address at Gordon's 2005 memorial service. Awards: 1983 Thomas Cook Travel Book Award for From Haven Lake Travel Thought Ranking and Tribute. 1985 Commonwealth Poetry Prize Asia for the Humble Administration Garden. 1988 Sahitya Academy Award for the Golden Gate. 1993 Isan Times International Fiction Prize shortlist for A Suitable Boy. 1994 Commonwealth Writers Prize for winner Best Book for A Suitable Boy. 1994 W.H. Smith Liberty Award for A Suitable Boy. 2 poems are of his: All You Who Sleep Tonight. All you who sleep tonight, far from the ones you love, no hand to left or right, and empathize above. Know that you are not alone. The whole world shares your tears, some for 2 nights or one, and some for all their years. Mistaken. I smiled at you because I thought that you would someone else. You smiled back and they grew between two strangers in a labyrinth, something that seems like love, but you loved me If that's the word because you thought that I was other than I was, and by be found we had been mistaken all the while. From that first glance that his mistaken a smile. Thank you. Hope you like my project.